Meet MEZMOPEN Lite, a writing tool almost impossible to let go, engineered to satisfy your urge to fidget. Crack it, snap it, flip it. Designed to instantly break your stress away. Made from grade 5 titanium, reinforced with 208 precision-milled bores, extremely durable and lightweight. See the light shine through it and witness the inner mechanics in action. Better grip, stronger surface, faster action, instant snaps. Ultra-strong neodymium magnets unlock the most fun ways to play. But don't take just our word for it. See what our 8,000 previous backers had to say. For some weird reason, people love to break stuff, and we give them what they want. So don't break things that can't be unbroken. Break the MEZMOPEN. Limited time only on Kickstarter. So look no more. Grab your pen now and break it forever.